In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate canvas in Photoshop. Whether you scanned an image upside down or need to switch from portrait to landscape, this quick technique will permanently rotate your artwork so it's oriented exactly the way you want. Start by opening your document in Photoshop. When you are ready to rotate the entire canvas, go to the top menu and choose Image. Then Image Rotation. This is the command that affects the actual pixels in your file. It's different from simply changing how you view the canvas. This will rewrite the image data so every layer, guide, and pixel rotates together as one document. Inside Image Rotation, you'll see three straightforward options. Choose 180 degrees to flip the image upside down. Perfect when something was captured completely inverted. Pick 90 degrees clockwise to turn the canvas a quarter turn to the right, which is great for moving from landscape to portrait when the right edge needs to become the top. Or select 90 degrees counterclockwise to rotate a quarter turn to the left. Ideal when the left edge should become the top. As soon as you click one of these choices, Photoshop applies the rotation to the whole document. Because this is a permanent change to the pixels, consider saving a new copy if you want to preserve the original orientation. This is especially helpful when you are working with layered designs, since every layer is rotated together and you may want the option to go back. After rotating, take a quick moment to zoom out and confirm the composition and text are oriented correctly. If something doesn't look right, you can immediately undo and try a different rotation option from the same image menu. Remember, these commands are global. They don't rotate only a single layer or selection. They transform the complete canvas. Rotating by 90 or 180 degrees is mathematically clean, so your image quality stays intact and the resolution doesn't change. What will change is the document's orientation. The width and height swap places, which is normal and helpful to remember before you export or print. If you use rulers, guides, or a grid, they rotate with the canvas too, keeping your layout relationships consistent after the move. That's all there is to it. By using Image, then Image Rotation and choosing 180 degrees, 90 degrees clockwise, or 90 degrees counterclockwise, you can quickly and confidently set your canvas to the correct orientation without any guesswork. If you found this helpful, give your file a final save once you are happy with the result and you are done. Thanks for watching.